Hello everyone, first let me introduce myself. My name is Malik Ibrahim. I am studying in Demography and Civil Registration, 11 Maret University. I will invite you to tell about Samsung product with the Galaxy S50 series. The Samsung Galaxy S50 is a part of Galaxy A series family, launched by Samsung not long ago. This time, we will unpack the Galaxy A50 box and try out some of the features inside. We test the mobile phone in Indonesia, which is a mobile version with 4GB and 64GB storage. The Galaxy A50 is present in the form of the box, the same to standard Galaxy A series. The smartphone with a value of Rp 3,799 million comes wrapped in the white box with a picture of the Galaxy A50 in the front of it. Inside there are several accessories that become the default Galaxy A series, including a fast charging 15 watt with USB Type-C and flex earphones, manual memory and inject for SIM card slot, and external memory. Also include. When removed from the box and the crash-code, the first impression is that the phone is so thin. The dimensions are 158.8, 74x7mm. In fact, if you look at the specification of the battery, the power can be said to be small, namely 4000 mAh. Samsung is arguably successful in the keeping dimension of the Galaxy A50 to stay comfortable to hold without forgetting the capabilities of the cable battery. This version of the Galaxy A50 has 3 color variants, namely black, blue, and white, with elegant plastic and glossy finish material. On the screen, the sense of relief is found thanks to size of the 6-inch. There is a front camera packed in the tucked away in the Infinity U display design to make the Samsung A50 look almost without a bezel. The front camera serves to selfie and scan face to unlock the lock phone, complementing the on-screen fingerprint feature. The front camera serves to take selfies and the scan face to unlock the lock phone, complementing the on-screen fingerprint feature for security purpose. The ability of the face scanner to unlock the phone is quite satisfactory. When turned on, the Galaxy A15 Super AMOLED serves with Full HD+ resolution with a luxurious feel when displaying images. It looks sharp with a dense color density. When trying to play HD videos on YouTube and try watching Netflix in the HD resolution, the color display really spoils the user eyes. Samsung A50 on the back 3 camera RMDs, which is a plus from the Galaxy A50. Its camera is 75 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle range, and 5 megapixel depth camera. These 3 cameras have complementary function and allow you to capture both photos and videos with a wider angle of view. To try out which each camera is for, 3 options above the bottom. When opening the camera, just click the icon above the bottom to change to the shooting angle from wide to extra wide. Click live focus mode and try shooting with a blue effect in the background. What interests in the screen optimizer feature that Samsung provides from the Galaxy A50. This feature makes those you would like to take about more helpful because screen optimizer will make the photos look better. automatically photo on the beach, mountain, sky, tree, as well as some other conditions such as food. Photo is the low light and other. On the left side of the phone is a slot that can hold 2 SIM cards and 1 external memory of micro SD type, where the power and volume button are located. The right side, if you press the power button long enough, Bixi Samsung Digital Assist will appear. At the bottom 3 is a 3mm audio follow a hole from USB Type-C. From the operating system, the Galaxy A5G already uses Android 9.5 with a Wine UI interface. This is also used in the Galaxy S series family. This combination, at the least Android and One UI, makes your phone navigation more infinity and allow you to find your favorite apps or document you open most often. Thank you guys for watching my presentation videos. Please like and comment below. Thank you. See you in next videos.